What's up, guys? I'm checking out Lizz Wright performing Nature Boy. And this was requested by Colleen Fuller on Streamlabs. Big shout to you. I have not heard, or I haven't heard her version of this song. I don't even know if she has like an official, version of this song. Let me see. Nature Boy. Lizz Wright. But yeah, I haven't seen this live performance for sure. And yeah, she doesn't have an official version. Okay, so it's just like a live performance thing. Okay. But yeah, haven't seen this performance, and I've heard this song before, multiple versions on top of that. The one by Nat King Cole, obviously, the original. And it was one from like that that jazz guy. What was his name? Like Eli or something like that. Kurt Elling. Yeah, I heard his version. But yeah, apparently this is a good performance. I don't know, haven't seen it. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it, even though it looks like it was recorded on a potato. But that being said, let's check it out. Oh yeah, this... Well, hopefully it sounds good at least. I can get over, bad video quality, but sound quality is what matters. I don't think I've ever seen anybody like slap those things without like the sticks. Not the drums, of course, but like the metal pieces. I forgot what they're called. He definitely seems to be in it, feeling it. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it a buck. It's hard for me to be like impressed by someone playing the drums. I've said this multiple times in the past, but I don't know, just something about like seeing someone on drums doesn't really do anything for me. Very hard, unless it's like Sheely. Sheely is like the only exception to that rule.
A boy, a very strange, enchanted boy. They say
This is interesting. Is this her and the drums?
Land and sea, and he was very shy and sad of eye, but very wise, very wise was he. Then while we spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me, the greatest thing you'll ever learn is to love and be loved in return. Hey, there was a boy, very, very strange, enchanted boy. They say he wandered very far over many lands and seas. He was very shy, and there was so much sadness in his eyes, but very wise, so wise was he. Then one day he passed my way, and while we stood and spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me, the greatest thing you'll ever learn is to love and be loved in
They like staring into each other's souls and everything. Okay.
different names.
I mean, yeah, definitely. I feel like because it was only her singing over top of like some drums, it definitely gave off more of like an emotional, feeling. I feel like maybe emotional is the wrong word, but just more of a just like more intimate. I think that's the better word. Intimate, like feeling and what was happening and going on throughout the song. Because it's just one of those songs that's just very it's a good song, but it's very like sad when you think about the lyrics and what's going on with the nature boy and all that. But yeah, that was a pretty good performance. I'm not gonna like sugarcoat it and pretend like it was like mind blowing or incredibly dazzling to me or anything like that. It was what it was. What I mean, it was a pretty just lightweight track. It wasn't really meant to be anything over the top or anything like that. But yeah, I thought it was all right. I definitely enjoyed watching that. But yeah, that was Lizz Wright's Nature Boy performance. And if you guys enjoyed it, make sure you smack the like button, subscribe if you're new. That being said, much love, stay safe, and peace out.